Well, they say it's the first time for everything. Y'all, I'm back in the track. Sorry. I ain't been on plane in like shit since my kids been alive. These masks ain't no joke too, boy. You can't even breathe in this bitch. Thank God your breath don't stink. So where are we going?
The TSA now.
Oh, we got security. Check in. Check. We're going to a different country. I'm gonna tell people I'm Travis Scott. About to get free food. Oh shit. It's your mama juice. So we in the airport, a little tipsy. Yeah.
I was looking crazy.
That's how you know I don't fly enough. This is all like a new experience for me. I'm trying to keep my composure. I'm really excited and scared at the same time, but I don't want nobody to know. We about to get on a plane, y'all. I'll call y'all. We be back.
We out on the Denver. I look crazy with this.
I'm trying to find a 24-hour dispensary before we get out of the plane so we can get right into it, you know what I'm saying? Smoke some of that West Coast. Yo, that plane backed out quick as a bitch.
You ready for
That plane.
Oh, you ain't see it moving?
No, I ain't see that shit moving. Alright, we gotta go. Yo, talking about I'm shook. You feel like you nigga walking to jail. You hear? That's how you know I don't go nowhere, dog. I need to start traveling. Yeah, ouch. We about to get on a fucking plane. I'm kinda scared for real. This joint got twin engines. Oh my god.
Still there?
Second time being on a plane in my life.
Oh, good job. Don't worry.
This is
He always starts sweating.
Yeah. Don't worry. It only depressurizes once.
Yeah, most likely.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, grab attention for just a moment. We'd like to point out our safe features of our Boeing 737-800. Safety beach current, seat back 30 bucks on you, ready before you need it. You fasten your seatbelt. Slide the button to the left.
all right, y'all. We made it safe.
Terminal ground transportation and
This airport got a train station inside. This is amazing. This is a big ass fucking airport. The BWI big, but this shit big. You gotta get on train. Look at this nigga fade. Look at his fade, cuz.
On the ground. Aircraft is on the ground.
I got his fade. What's up? We made it, y'all. We in Denver. About to find this rental and a 24-hour dispensary. But check this out. All this time when they made this segregation. The black people in the front of the bus. Oh, shit. What up, y'all? It's your boy, Big Daddy Reviews. You see where I'm at. Well, me and wifey finally made it out to Denver. So far, so good. The people here are nice. And I would say they're probably high as fuck. That's why. Denver is the Mile High City. And I'm having a blast. First time my girl smoked a joint, they complained about it. She said she takes the weed. I gotta figure out how y'all do y'all joints out here. It's a stuffer.
Yeah, but they don't stuff them like, you know how they be so tight you can't pull them? This?
So,
You can pull.
we literally, only thing I didn't get was edibles. I don't know why. Oh yeah, we got an edible drink. We got tinctures, and $180 worth of good shit in here that I'm smoking the shit out of.
Hey.
You know what I mean? So I want to explain to y'all as far as the Denver experience of you being from the East Coast going to the West Coast or going to Denver. So Denver is a mile above sea level. They said you're supposed to have some issues. I'm just going to keep it 100 with you. If you work out, do you feel funny? Did you have a headache? Anything felt funny? We don't feel lightheaded, nothing. They said the liquor hits you different here, the weed hits you different here because there's less oxygen in the air.
Well, we be in the mountains, so I don't know. Maybe we just...
But maybe it's because we mountain bike ride, Just Trails and Caffeine. Know the link in the bio if you ain't never been there. But maybe we just used to the high elevation. Maryland ain't necessarily, I don't know where we are elevation level. I'm going to Google it later. But
oh, she told me about an app. April 20 is an app you can find for your elevation level.
So yeah, I'm going to come back to y'all. I'm just trying to put a little bit of these video shit together. Now we about to go to a lounge and go smoking that bitch because we waiting on our friends to come. All right, y'all. So we at another location. What's this place called?
What's it, bud? Yeah, bad. Hold on, I gotta look at my video. Hold on, I got you. Give me 1 second, y'all. I'm saving something.
All right, we're gonna come back to wife and she's trying to figure out where the hell we at.
I got
It's called Jabs. Anyway, we bumped into a strip club that's 24 hours. I don't know how that works. I've seen it all, bro. So I ain't even trying to like.
Alright, so this place is called Jack.
Yeah, I kind of fucked up, but I didn't fuck up. Anyway, me and wifey, we just played Battleship. She beat my ass like she does because she's. Do y'all be in relationships where like it's pointless of her asking to play me in games? She looks forward to trying to murder me. She just. Then she look at you like, that's all you got. Let's go to the basketball court. But she good in the basketball too. We about to get the fuck up out of here and go get something to eat.
I was like, wait, that looks just like Jerky. Oh my god, what the?
Look at this shit.
Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is.
Wow, this is like just, it's so interesting, like what do we just park here?
Oh, yeah, I guess so.
That person just went through. Or
They sure did. Where they going? They going at the top.
was it telling us to park here, or can we go up?
One look at my GPS.
They going up.
Yo, we out here in the mountains. They got me out here on something that you know I love. We're about to get hit by cars. I don't give a fuck. So, we're in Red Rock, Denver. It's beautiful.